Hello, automation testers. This one is for you. If you have ever struggled with finding the perfect XPath, wasting hours in trial and error, then you're in for a treat. We have built an AI-powered XPath Finder that does it all for you in seconds. This tool is fully deployed and ready to use. I'll first walk you through how it works, why it is a game changer for an automation tester, and then show you exactly how you can get access to it. Every automation tester knows the struggle. Manually finding an XPath feels like searching for a single grain of rice in a bag of flour. But what if AI could handle it for you in seconds? That's exactly what we have built today. Stay till the end to see it in action, and I'm just creating XPaths with Selenium in mind, but feel free to generate any locator that you prefer. So what does this tool do? It takes your application's DOM and simple description of what you're looking for and then get you a precise XPath. I'm building it using Streamlit for the UI and Google's Gemini for the AI magic, ensuring fast and precise XPath generation at every instance. And guess what? We are using Gemini 2.0 Flash because we need speed and accuracy here. Let's quickly break down the code so you know what is happening under the hood. First, we configure the API key. This is mandatory, so don't forget to check the video on how to get yours. Next, we define our AI model and we are using Gemini's latest one to generate the best possible and accurate XPath. After that, we create a simple Streamlit UI where the user can enter the DOM and specify the element they need. And the magic happens here. When you click the Find Locator button, the AI analyzes the DOM structure and instantly provides the XPath. No more trial and error. Alright, enough talk. Let's put this to a test with a real world challenge. I'll take the DOM from a website and describe an element, and let's see if our AI can generate a precise XPath. It does it in seconds. How cool is that? I won't just go for the simple examples. Let me take a complex DOM structure, let's say an e-commerce site. We'll go to Amazon and challenge the AI to generate a dynamic XPath. Let's say a product price dependent on a product name, so that I can change the product name to target corresponding product price. And maybe let me know in the comments what's the most frustrating XPath you have ever tried to write manually. This tool is already deployed and you can use it anytime, but you will need an API key to access it. The key setup process is simple and I have linked the tutorial in the description to guide you through it. Go check it out. If you want the full source code to run it in your local, just DM me in Insta and I'll send it your way. And that's it for today's automation magic. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and stay tuned for the next one, because we might be diving into even more powerful AI tools to supercharge your daily workflows. And if you're new here, subscribe for more game-changing automation content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out the next crazy AI-powered tool. See you in the next one.